Are your Facebook ads not converting or not doing as well as you'd like them to do? Hi, I'm Tomer Nesher. I'm the co-founder of the Digital Reach platform, and I'm going to give you one tool that you should use that will help improve your Facebook ads starting right now. The tool that you should use is Facebook Ads Library. What is it? So, in response to all the data hacking, data breach, people complaining about Facebook having too much of your data, they created a tool called Facebook Ads Library. Essentially, it allows any user to see what companies, what brands are running Facebook ads. And you can see the variation of ads, what platforms they're on, either Instagram, the Facebook network, WhatsApp, whatever. But this is the perfect tool that you should use as a marketer, and here's why. Like I mentioned prior, you can search any company. If your ads are not converting, you can see what your competition is doing. You can see, the verbiage they're using, the ad copy, the graphics, whatever it is. You can research, do A/B testing from there. You can see what might not be working for other people, what might be working for you. There's a lot of different things that you can go with it. And the beauty of it is that you're gonna have all this information, all this data, understanding what is currently working for somebody else. It might not work for you, but you can use it to help generate some better ad ideas or better, maybe better even copy, whatever it might be. I think Facebook Ads Library is a perfect tool. We use it here at the Digital Reach platform to get better idea or to generate some useful ad ideas. I think you should use it, and it should definitely help with your Facebook ads campaign. And there you go. I hope this was a helpful tip. If you enjoyed this video or the tips or whatever, please leave a review, comment, subscribe. Anything would be appreciated. Until next time, I'm signing off.